Everybody, hi. Artificial intelligence, AI, is increasingly being utilized in medical research, particularly in the preparation of medical publications. In response, the International Committee of Medical Journals has updated its guidelines for the maintenance, reporting, editing, and publishing of research papers in medical journals. Medscape has discussed these recommendations, and I would like to outline the key points for you. The journal editors have taken the first step by establishing rules that hold authors of manuscripts solely responsible for the content of articles employing artificial intelligence technologies. Authors must throughout review and edit their articles since AI can potentially generate inaccurate, incomplete, and biased results that may appear authoritative. Authors are responsible for ensuring that their articles are free from plagiarism, including any text or images generated by AI. Proper attribution of all cited materials is the responsibility of the authors. Authors are required to clearly indicate, both in the cover letter and within the submitted work, the role of AI in the manuscript's writing process. Furthermore, all data or sources used to create new text or analytical work must be provided in the submitted manuscript. If authors use an AI tool for editing their work, it's recommended that they include an untouched version of the manuscript for reference. This practice can help medical scientists benefit from AI while minimizing potential concerns. Overall, these guidelines aim to promote responsible and transparent use of AI in medical publications, ensuring the integrity and quality of scientific research. Thanks for likes and sharing.